So, clues ulit, E, G, C. Tapos, pag nilipat mo sa F, dalawang finger ang ililipat mo. Pag binalik mo sa, ano naman, sa A, ito lang ililipat mo. Tapos, F ulit. And then, E, G, C. So, yung C laging nandito lang. Tapos, F, dalawang finger. Balik yung sa A minor. And then, sa F ulit. And then, balik ulit yung dalawang finger sa ulit. So, ayan na yung 60 beats per minute. So, dun ako na lang sa chorus. O, ganyan lang. Dapat ganyan. Kasi, dapat makasabay kayo sa ganyan. 3, 4. Isa-isa, ito, isa lang every 4 beats. 2, 3, 4, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 1, 2, 3, 4. No place I would rather be, F. No place I would rather be, A minor. No place I would rather be than here in your love, here in your love. Set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, that I can't control. I want more of you, God. Sorry. I want more of you, God. Set a fire down in my soul that I can't contain, that I can't control. I want more of you, God. I want more of you, God. I want more. F, A, F, and end with C. Ayan. Clue sa left hand, again, C. Lagi kong tinitignan lang itong dulo, tapos permanent yung, hindi ko na ginagalaw tong kamay ko para alam ko na. Ito, tatlo ang pagitan nila. Dito, between this, dalawa. C, F, ganyan, 3 and 2 in between. A, 3 and 2 in between, and F. Tapos all white keys. That's it.